Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and I'll be teaching you all about the letter C today. Today's special C words are car, cup, cape, cold, and corn. They all make a k sound at the beginning. Here's the letter C written in red. The big one is the uppercase version, and the small one is the lowercase version. You might notice that they look very similar. The only difference between an uppercase and a lowercase c is the size. Lowercase is smaller. Does anyone know what this picture is? That's right, it's a car. People drive cars to get from place to place. Car starts with the letter C and makes a k at the beginning of the word. Let's say it together. Car. Now, this is a cup. You might recognize it. You might drink water or milk or juice out of your cup. Try to say it with me. Cup. Great job. Next up, we have a cape. Your favorite superhero might wear one, like Wonder Woman or Batman. Repeat after me. Cape. I wonder what's up next. Oh no, our little friend is cold. He's shivering and needs to put on a coat. It's probably winter time. Can you tell me what he's feeling? That's right, he's cold. And this, friends, is our last C word, corn. Corn is a delicious food that lots of people eat all around the world. Can you say corn? Great job, everyone. You're doing very well. Are you ready for a game? Here we have a cape, a car, a cold boy, corn, tiger, and cup. Which one do you think is the odd one out? Which one does not belong? That's right, it's the tiger. Tiger does not have a k sound. Next up, we have cape, car, cold, corn, turkey, and cup. Can you pick the one that does not belong with the others? That's right, it's the turkey. Now we have another game. Can you show me which one is the cape? That's right, this is the cape. Great job. Let's do another one. Can you find the car? Point to the car whenever you see it. Excellent, you found the car. Now, can you spot the person who feels cold? Great, you found him. He feels cold. And now can you find the corn? You guessed right, this is the corn. Now, for our last game, can you point at the cup? Great work, you found the cup. Great job following along today. We learned the words car, cup, cape, cold, and corn. To learn more, follow along at storybee.space. See you next time!